Hello YouTube and dear backers on Kickstarter. I have an update for you, a short one. I have received the first professionally printed samples for the case, and yeah, let me go through it. This is a example that I printed, and I do get this really ugly seam. It is on the back, but nevertheless it is there. And this is one printed by the company that I'm using. I'm still waiting for another set of prints from a different company, and I will compare them, and whichever will be better I will order it from them. And here the seam is actually, where is it, right over here, much less noticeable, and I will ask them if they can rotate the print so the seam will be exactly on the back of the MagScroll. And I believe this one, oops, sorry, this one is printed with ABS GF glass fiber induced or more or stronger. And they did this one, nope, this is also glass fiber ABS GF, and they did print this, sent me a picture before I ordered it, and I noticed that it's kind of like the fuzzy skin that you get when you enable it, and I like it to be smooth as this is, because mine are smooth as well, and I just like it better that way. And so, and I asked them to print it in regular ABS, and they did, and this is their print, which comes out beautiful, because my black ABS print, I hope I can show you, you can see how it's screwed up here, and I expect that all the prints from the professional companies that are probably using a much higher quality 3D printer than I am, mine is several years old, plus the bottom here is much nicer than the one I get. So I'm pretty happy, not heavy, I'm happy. By the way, these did turn out, and this is obviously covered by the knob itself, so you won't see that part. And I also asked them to print one in gray, silver, but this is obviously just gray, and I don't really like it, so I will stick to the option black or white. And if anybody wants this gray one, if they have a keyboard or their office or desk is set up gray and then a different color of the knob, for example, I'll make sure you get this. This is also the example print from that company, and they really look nice. And here you can see the bearings that I'm using, and I'm using not one but two. There are two bearings stacked on top of each other, so it won't tilt, because the bearings itself have a little play, but if you have two bearings on top of each other, that play is gone, and you get absolute still smooth rotation, precise, and nothing is loose, nothing is wobbly. And what I want to show you as well, where is it? This is the finished PCB. Well, I actually put some pictures on there, but just want to show you. This looks out, this is the way it looks on the top and on the bottom. And I'm actually having I will order them assembled, and for that I changed the case of the Atmega 32U4 to the smaller one. I did pick this one so it can be easily, or for me it's easier to reflow, but since the company is doing it now, I picked the smaller one. And yeah, and it will come like this. Well, it will come on a plate with 4x5 pieces, and I have to cut them away apart, and probably shave off the sides from the V-cut. But that will save me a lot of time, because if I would have to do, I have currently over 100 MagScrolls pledged for, and that is just way too much time to do by myself. Same goes with the ABS cases, obviously. One print on my printer takes almost 2.5 hours. Multiplied it by 100. That's a lot of hours, and plus I get here brownouts all the way. The power goes out, or not all the way, all the time. The power goes out, and I would go crazy if it goes out during printing. So I have these professionally made, plus of course it's all a plus for you guys and for me, because it looks better than mine and it saves me time. And many people don't consider time that much, maybe, but if you're building something yourself, time is literally money. And although of course 3D printing, you can do something else, but still it takes time. So as I said, these are professionally printed, and I'm waiting on one more set, and I will compare them, maybe make a video again and show you. So this is it. Please, if you have already pledged for it, keep telling your friends, your family, show them the website, send them the link. The link is in the description below the video, and if you have not seen it, please check out the link and you get all the information. I'm not going into that in this video, but basically it is a scroll wheel. Let me get my mouse over here, which here you can see the PCB as well, with many features, and I added different codes. I made one that where you can turn off the LEDs if you're not into lighting up the bottom. And yeah, the volume code, you have code for seeking video and zooming and whatnot. So please do check it out, and I would greatly appreciate it. So I wish everybody a great weekend, and I see you on the next update. Take care, everybody.